Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pardeep Sharma and today we are going to learn a grammar pattern to, which is a conditional form pattern. We will use it whenever we are putting a condition anywhere. Then we will use to connect those sentences. So this is basically the definition we can say. And how to use this pattern. Verb dictionary present positive plus to. So this would be our pattern for this. Noun plus required particle plus verb dictionary present positive to, again noun required particle and verb. So this is the pattern. You guys can take screenshot as well. So now let's have a look on some examples. Our first example is Kono kikai ni okane o ireru to kippu ga demasu. This is written in hiragana as well. Kono kikai ni okane o ireru to kippu ga demasu. Here kikai means machine, ni is used as an existence particle, okane means money, and ireru is the dictionary form of iremasu, about which we have already studied that how to make dictionary form. I'll drop the link in description as well. So ireru means to put, and kippu means ticket, and ga is an intransitive particle. Goes the ticket will come out will be an intransitive verb, so it is an intransitive particle. And demasu means to come out. So the translation would be like this: if you put money in this machine, ticket will come out. So here this is the condition if. Now let's move to our second example. Byoki ni naru to jimusho e ikimasen. Written in Romaji as well. Byoki ni naru to jimusho e ikimasen. Here byoki means ill, and ni is an again existence particle. Naru is the dictionary form of narimasu, which means to become, and jimusho is office, and ikimasen is negative form of ikimasu. Ikimasu means to go, and ikimasen means don't go. So the translation would be like this: if I get sick, I will not go to the office. Let's have a look on one more example. Hikoki de tobu to sora ga miemasu. Hikoki de tobu to sora ga miemasu. So here hikoki means aeroplane. De is a particle which is used for medium, because we are flying through airplane, so airplane is medium, so that's why we have used de here. And tobu is the dictionary form of tobimasu, which means to fly. Again, this is our particle to. Sora means sky, and ga again this is an intransitive particle because it is visible, and miemasu means to visible. So the translation would be like this: if you fly in aeroplane, sky will be visible. So guys, this was our to particle, which is conditional form. I hope you guys have understood. Then please try to make some sentences and drop those sentences into the comment box, and please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and if you guys have any confusion then please drop comments, or you guys can text us on our Instagram page. And please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ja mata.